Pokemon scientific names. How do they work? Yeah, Pokemon and scientific names are two words that really usually don't go together that well. Oh, video just uploaded. The hell was I talking about again? Oh yeah. Anyways, so not a lot of you know this, but if you look at Oddish's Pokedex entry, Pokemon have scientific names. Yeah, I didn't know this until like a couple days ago, which is why I'm making this video right now. But Oddish's scientific name is Odium Wanderus, and that got me thinking, what would other Pokemon's scientific names be? And what Pokemon would be in the Odium genus? Because there's a genus name, Odium, which can apply to multiple different species, and there's an actual species name which narrows it down to one species, in this case, Wanderus. Odium Wanderus is Oddish. But of course, we also had to think about whether, like, Oddish has been domesticated, or if it's wild, or how big some of the subspecies can get. In such case, it would be, one might be, well, say, Odium Wanderus domesticus, or Odium Wanderus giganticus. Yes, domesticus and giganticus are actually used. I did not make those up. But, what other Pokemon would be in the Odium genus? Well, this is probably not true, but I want to say Vileplume, Cherubi, and probably Roselia and Roserade. Because they all look a bit like Oddish, and also they are sort of plant-shaped humanoids. Oh yeah, I almost forgot Gloom existed. But, what would another Pokemon scientific name be? Say, okay, the only scientific name I really know is like Corvids. So Corvus. What Pokemon would fit in a Corvus genus? Oh yeah, Rookidee, Corvisquire, and Corviknight. So Corviknight is pretty easy since it's a steel raven. I almost said steel Corvid. Since it's a steel raven, I would just call it Corvius titanius. I don't think titanius is an actual scientific name. And Corvus is the genus name of Corvids. Titanius is just titanium, but like a few letters have been like swapped out. Rookidee, I have no clue. Corvisquire, I also don't know. I don't know why I even thought of the whole evolutionary line. I should have just said Corviknight. Now, Gigantamax Corviknight, that presents a different problem. Would it be Corius Titanius Giganticus? Because, I mean, Gigantamax, obviously. But would it count as a subspecies? The reason why I'm asking this is because the subspecies is usually its own thing, while just like a form change I don't think would count. Unless you're looking at like Alolan or like Galarian forms, those would count as subspecies. But like a Gigantamax form, I don't think it really fits because the Pokemon reverts back to normal after like 3 or 5 turns. So I don't know, would it still be Corvius Titanius or would it be Corvius Titanius Giganticus? Who knows? Yeah, well. Slimedex signing off. See you all in a bit.